This fruit makes one of the most refreshing drink. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of the most refreshing Caribbean starfruit juice. Oh, ooh. Starfruit juice is enjoyed around the world. A lot of people make it, and you make it with, just as it is. Sometimes most of the fruits are tangy. It's originated in Southeast Asia, where it has been grown and enjoyed for centuries. It's cultivated in every country now, including the Caribbean. It gets the name from its distinctive star shape. So you see where, when you cut into it, you see the star, 5-star. It's juicy, succulent, and it's got that flesh that it's tangy. Some of them are tangy and some are sweet. It's very rich in flavor, rich in vitamin C, high in antioxidant. So once you washed, sliced, and blend, you get a nice, wonderful juice. So we're going to put this straight to the blender now. Now that's all cut up. We're going to put that. And then you're going to need your, have a little bit of ginger. I am going to use a leaf of my Leaf Alive. So I'm going to pick one leaf. I'm going to pick that. And that is going to go into my juice. I'm going to wash that. Pick that. And that goes in my juice. So that will make a delicious and healthy starfruit and Leaf Alive juice. See how pretty that is. They're all from Jamaica. This is from Jamaica, and that's from Jamaica. So Jamaica on the rocks, starfruit juice. Let's go and do our blending now. Right, in the blender, I have the starfruits all cut up. Now I'm going to add some ginger, and you can add a little bit of water, but remember that this is water-based, so you might not need to put too much water in there. I'm just going to add the Leaf Alive in there. I just use my hand and break it up. So that goes in. And as I said, Leaf Alive won't make it taste any different. It's just that it's very diuretic and it's very good for you. Once you blend your starfruit, guys, you need to get your strainer ready, or your cloth that you use. You see, look at this. Get your spoon to make sure it's all strained out. So it's blended really fine. Oops. We can make that mistake as well. You have to be careful. Hold on. I'll restrain it somewhere. So yeah, once you blend, you just get your strainer, and so I'll strain this, and you'll see what it looks like and how beautiful and refreshing that this juice will be. I'm going to strain that right out. If the strainer isn't working, you use a bag and strain. You get all the juice out. See how, look at that. So my starfruit is looking refreshing. Remember that this helps to lower your blood pressure. It's a nice refreshing drink that, in the summer, you just add ice to it, and the ginger makes it a whole lot of difference. Also, the Leaf Alive definitely will add that little bit of extra health benefit to you, because it's called Leaf of Life. I'm going to pour this now in my glasses and add my ice, and then I can give you a glass. Okay, that's the juice with the ginger and the Leaf of Life Caribbean starfruit juice on ice. How refreshing that looks. Pour that in. Oh, beautiful. Just a little bit more. Not too much.